In the earlier session, we have learned how to find the solution of a quadratic equation using factorization method. Is there any alternate method to find the solution of quadratic equation other than using factorization? Yes, another alternate method is that is, completing the square method. Now, we are going to learn how to find the solution of a quadratic equation using alternate method, called completing the square. Some quadratic equations cannot be solved by using factorization method. For example, let us take one quadratic equation x square minus 4x minus 8 equals 0. The given equation is x square minus 4x minus 8 equals 0, and it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. In factorization method, we use splitting the middle term technique. While splitting the middle term of the quadratic equation, we should also consider the factors for the product of first term and constant term in the quadratic equation. Product of first and constant terms is ax square into c. After finding factors, sum of the factors equals middle term, bx, in quadratic equation. Therefore, from the given quadratic equation x square minus 4x minus 8 equals 0, we have middle term equals minus 4x. First term equals x square. Constant term equals minus 8. Now, we need to find factors for the product of first term and constant term. Product of first term and constant term equals x square into minus 8. This implies that minus 8x square. Now let us find the factors of minus 8x, such that the sum of the factors of minus 8x should be equal to the middle term, that is, minus 4x. But, the sum of minus 4x into x is minus 2x, it's not minus 4x. Hence, the two conditions fails to find factors. So, we cannot solve the given equation by factorizing. Then, we can apply complete square method to solve such type of equations. Some quadratic equations are simple to solve, because they are of the form, something with x squared equals some number, and then we take the square root, on both sides, to get the value of the variable x. Consider the equation, x minus 4, whole square equals 9. In order to find the roots for the equation, first we apply square roots on both sides. Then we get x minus 4 equals root 9. This implies that x minus 4 equals plus or minus 3. That is, x minus 4 equals 3, or x minus 4 equals minus 3. This implies that x equals 3 plus 4, or x equals minus 3 plus 4. This implies that x equals 7 or x equals 1. The given equation, x minus 4, whole square minus 9 equals 0, is in the form of x plus a, whole square minus b equals 0. Here, the term containing x is completely inside a square. Let's solve some quadratic equations, and find their x term is completely inside a square, or not. The product of Sunita's age, in years, 2 years ago, and her age 4 years, from now is 1 more than twice her present age. What is her present age? Solution. Step 1, let us consider Sunita's present age is x years. Step 2, if present age is x, then 2 years ago Sunita's age will be x minus 2, make it as equation 1. Step 3, if present age is x, then Sunita's age after 4 years from now will be x plus 4, make it as equation 2. Given that, the product of Sunita's age, 2 years ago, and 4 years from now is 1 more than twice her present age. Step 4, that is, product of age equals 2x plus 1, make it as equation 3. Step 5, therefore, from equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3, we have x minus 2, into x plus 4, equals 2x plus 1. This implies that x into x plus 4, minus 2 into x plus 4, equals 2x plus 1. This implies that x square plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 equals 2x plus 1. This implies that x square plus 2x minus 8 equals 2x plus 1. This implies that x square plus 2x minus 8 minus 2x minus 1 equals 0. On cancelling the 2x terms, we have x square minus 9 equals 0. Therefore, Sunita's 8 satisfy the quadratic equation. As the term containing x is completely inside a square, we can write the above equation as x square equals 9. Since, if any equation is in the form of x plus a whole square minus b equals 0, then we can find its roots easily by taking square roots. This implies that x square equals 9 by taking square root. This implies that x equals root 9. This implies that x equals 3 and x equals minus 3. Therefore, Sunita's present age equals 3 years, since age cannot be a negative number.